With 30 years of experience, Well Electronics Corporation strives for a strong commitment to excellence. Originally a processing factory, Well is now recognized as a leading manufacturer of high-voltage transformers. Well offers itself as a manufacturing partner that searches with customers for the best way and the complete manufacturing solution to give customers entire satisfaction. From its innovative engineering, expertise technology, together with impeccable teamwork, disciplined responsibility, open communication, and customer value service. Well established manufacturing facilities in Taipei and Guangxi of Taiwan, together with high volume capacity in Ho Chi Minh City of Vietnam, to provide cost-effective and flexible solutions to production requirements. Strong technical resources with excellent Taiwan-based R&D engineering team, providing mechanism design, electronics design, stamping process, as well as the assembly for finished goods. Well engaged in the mold-making design as well as the development. With perfect integration, formed the excellence to get ahead of the field. Well had invested significantly in capital of advanced stamping equipments, bringing in sophisticated CNC laser processing machinery, offering flexible low-batch production, diverse custom-made specifications. Well earned a reputation for both high quality and energy-saving products accredited to RoHS. Well's product line includes high-voltage transformers, electronic insect killers, portable infrared heaters, air purifiers, and electronic radar watchdogs. High-voltage transformers. Well's transformers provide power distribution to electrostatic neutralizer, measuring instruments, ignition to the burner, etc. Load safely and efficiently. A key components of insect killers. Stable, long-lasting. Custom-made request welcome. Electronic insect killer and sticky trap units. Advanced and effective, easy to assemble, change and clean. Automatic safety shutoff. Heater. High efficiency heat transfer, energy saving, accurate temperature control, quiet operation, purifying air, non-oxygen consuming, and easily movable. Air purifier. Automatically detect air quality. Built-in ionizer to eliminate the airborne pollutants, providing clean air, smelling fresh and clean. UV embedded. Sterilize bacteria in the air. Electronic radar watchdog. High-quality nature sounds melody, making you relaxed and peace as if in the forest. Advanced radar technology detect device for anti-theft, alarm, and security function. Wells' goal aim to provide international customers the complete manufacturing solution with the vision of globalization, continuously upgrading stamping products development and all electronic products. Through innovative expertise and integration, Wells' solid and advanced performance is the best business partner of you.